Here are some microbes I found in algae. As we can see, they're round, they have lots of hairs, and they're quite fast. They also eat algae. If you want to see more in-depth analysis on these microbes, I'll be posting a video on February 19th, so subscribe if you want to be notified of that. But since we're in the middle of a pandemic, I wanted to see what effect hand sanitizer has on these microbes. Now, I'm not showing you what the sanitizer looks like, because it doesn't look like anything. That's actually kind of the point of hand sanitizer. Okay, so now that you know what we're dealing with, let's apply the hand sanitizer. So as we can see, everything instantly starts going crazy and everything's just moving around at insane speeds. Then there's this black thing that I'm not exactly sure what it is, but you can see that algae is starting to clump up together, and eventually we can see that all the algae has died and it's not moving anymore. There's no microbes moving around and it's just dead. So if you look closely, you can see a sort of white hazy outline. That's all the dead material that the hand sanitizer killed, so that goes to show how effective hand sanitizer is. If you enjoyed that video, feel free to share it with your friends and family, and if you wish to see more of my videos, and I really hope you do, a sub would be amazing. There's also a link to join my Discord server in the description, so feel free to join the community. Stay safe, wash your hands, and I'll see you in the next video.